Ladies and gentlemen, have you heard about the latest creation from Rezvani? It's not just a car, it's a beast. And no, I'm not talking about your neighbor's aggressive Chihuahua. We're diving into the world of a car that's more James Bond than your average sedan. Picture this, it's got 1,000 horsepower, a Corvette Stingray engine, and vibes that scream, "I'm too cool for traffic." Now, the original beast from a decade ago was cute, aerial atom chassis, carbon fiber body, 500 horsepower. But hold on to your driving gloves because the 2023 beast is a whole different animal. It's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. This beast is packing a 6.2-liter V8 from the C8 Corvette, turbocharged to the max, giving you 1,000 horsepower. That's more horses than a unicorn farm. It goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, blink, and you'll miss it. And if you're feeling nostalgic for the 2014 beast, don't worry, they've kept the predatory eyes headlights. Because nothing says speed like looking slightly menacing on the road. But here's where it gets wild. You can option this bad boy with a 007 package. Yes, James Bond would be jealous. For a mere $45,000, you get bulletproof glass, a smokescreen feature, perfect for dodging traffic, and a pepper spray dispenser. I guess that's for when someone cuts you off, a spicy surprise. And if you're feeling extra fancy, throw in a siren, intercom system, gas masks, because fresh air is overrated, right? Plus, explosive device detection, because you never know when your daily commute might turn into an action movie. But wait, there's more. The cabin is like a cockpit from the future, Formula One inspired steering wheel and all. Forget being chauffeured like a president, this is for the rebels who want to feel the road beneath them. Now, before you start emptying your piggy banks, the price tag starts at $485,000. But hey, safety is priceless, right? If you want the full James Bond experience, add the 007 package and bulletproofing, and you're looking at a cool $585,000. So, who's ready to unleash the beast on the streets? Remember, it's not just a car, it's a statement. And if you're not subscribing to Cool Ideas after this, well, you're missing out on the coolest ideas on the internet. Drive safe, and may your beast be ever in your favor.